Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to add the following two fractions. Now the fractions are 16 11 upon 12 and 6 22 upon 47. Now before we can add them up, we have to at first convert them into their respective improper fraction. So 16 11 upon 12 can be written as 16 multiplied by 12 plus 11 upon 12. So the numerator will become 16 multiplied by 12, which is equals 192. 192 plus 11 is 203. So it will be 203 upon 12, right? And 622 upon 47 will be 6 multiplied by 47 plus 22 upon 47. So 6 multiplied by 47 is 282, and 282 plus 22 is equals 304. So we will have 304 upon 47. So 1611 upon 12 is equals 203 upon 12, and 622 upon 47 is nothing but 304 upon 47. Now we know that 47 is a prime number. So the LCM of 47 and 12 will be 47 multiplied by 12. So we will have 12 multiplied by 47 in the denominator. Now 12 multiplied by 47 when divided by 12 will give us 47. So our first term in the numerator will be 203 multiplied by 47, and similarly when 12 multiplied by 47 is divided by 47 we get 12. So the next term will be 304 multiplied by 12. So 203 multiplied by 47 gives us 9541, and 304 multiplied by 12 gives us 3648, and in the denominator we have 12 multiplied by 47, which is equals 564. So 9541 plus 3648 gives us 13189, and in denominator we have 564. So 13189 divided by 564 will be approximately equals 23.38. So we don't have to write it, let's keep it in the fraction form itself. So this will be our final required answer. Let's see whether we can simplify it any further. So if we divide numerator by 3, so 13189 when divided by 3 produces, no, it's not giving us exact answer. So this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.